So guys, how are you all doing today? Do you remember this video I posted about backtesting? So guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to bring a challenge for you guys where I want to start a backtesting spree where I backtest at least 6 months of data intensively. So I want you to follow up with me because, well, I know you did. So I hope you all took the challenge with me, because here are my data and my results. But although I'm near through, let's just have a quick run through on it. So firstly, now we'll go to Notion. Then I want to show you the backtested trade. This is it. Although I'm near done, I also want to show you the stats. So you can see this is my strategy, which you might not understand, but these are the trade I have backtested and journaled. It's not so much, but you can see it. Trading solely GBP USD. This is my liquidity criteria. You can see them. Structural liquidity like this. These are them. They're my thoughts and screenshots. These are my trades. Win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win. So these are my results. Not too crazy, just average trade. You can see I have over, let's say, 35 trades journaled from here, and the second one on Euro USD. I still want to tweak this one. I have around 45 trades journaled on this one, but this one is 1:2, so I had a lot of losses. I had around 50% win rate from this one. You can see the results. Euro USD stop loss. So you can see it. Where is it? Win, loss, win. There was loss in this one. There was losses in this one, but it was still a nice edge, if I do say so myself. I did not fully record my total trades because I journaled some on my WhatsApp group. I just wrote it down. That is why here the rate is slightly low. But my real account, where I wrote everything down, it is around 50%. So this video is just me trying to tell you to take journaling serious, because journaling is an integral part of trading and backtesting. Because if you don't backtest your journal trade, you won't know your data, and if you don't know your data, you will not have full confidence in your strategy. So that's what this video is about. Hope you gain something new. Just go journal your trade. I promise you, you will learn a lot from your trades. Just do as I said, because if you don't have data, you will simply just lose money. Look at the trade, some of the trade. If you don't have data, you simply lose money. Simply lose money. That's just it. So thanks for watching. Follow for more.